Now get ready as we count down the top 10 best places to visit in the city that never sleeps. Starting at number 10, we have the High Line. Once an elevated railway, this marvel has been transformed into a vibrant urban park. Its unique blend of nature, art, and architecture is truly captivating. A stroll along the High Line is a must for any visitor. At number 9, we find ourselves in the heart of New York, Times Square. This iconic spot is a whirlwind of bright lights and bustling energy, where the city's pulse is truly palpable. Expect to see street performers, giant billboards, and a sea of people. Experience the energy of New York at Times Square. Coming in at number 8 is the iconic Central Park, a lush oasis offering solace amidst the city's hustle and bustle. From scenic boat rides on the lake to mesmerizing Shakespearean plays, Central Park breathes life into the city. Central Park, a haven in the heart of the city. At number 7, we enter the world of art at the Metropolitan Museum of Art. Home to an expansive collection, it showcases artistry across centuries, continents, and cultures. A testament to our shared history, it's a treasure trove of human creativity. The Met, a feast for the eyes and soul. Number 6 takes us to the world of theater, Broadway. A must-visit for any culture vulture, Broadway's charm lies in its history and the iconic shows that have graced its stages, from Phantom of the Opera to Hamilton. Broadway, where art comes to life. Halfway through our list at number 5 is the Statue of Liberty. This grand lady, a gift from France in 1886, stands tall as a beacon of freedom. Its crown offers a breathtaking view of the city. The Statue of Liberty, a symbol of freedom and a sight to behold. At number 4, we reach new heights at the Empire State Building. This iconic skyscraper has defined the city's skyline since 1931. From its observation decks, you'll find a stunning panorama that's pure New York magic. The Empire State Building, a testament to New York's grandeur. Number 3 on our list is the Museum of Modern Art, or MoMA. Home to an astounding collection of modern and contemporary art, MoMA's influence reverberates across the globe. Here, Picasso shares space with Warhol, making MoMA a place where the past and present collide. At number 2, we cross the Brooklyn Bridge. This historic gem, a marvel of 19th century engineering, stands as a testament to human ingenuity. Its Gothic towers offer stunning views, a perfect blend of urban skyline and tranquil waters. The Brooklyn Bridge, a marvel of engineering and a symbol of unity. And finally, at number 1, we have the One World Trade Center. More than just a stunning feat of architecture, this towering icon symbolizes New York's resilience and strength. Rising from the ashes of a tragic past, it stands tall and proud, a testament to the city's unyielding resolve. Ascend to the observatory and you're rewarded with an awe-inspiring panorama of the city that never sleeps. The One World Trade Center, a beacon of hope and a testament to the indomitable spirit of New York. And there you have it, the top 10 places to visit in the extraordinary city of New York. From the High Line to the One World Trade Center, each site offers a unique taste of the Big Apple. New York, a city that captivates, inspires, and never fails to leave a lasting impression. Until next time, keep exploring.